Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm sure enough going to tell you here in East Central Mississippi, we're working on about the 10th day of rain, and it's showing enough raining now. Yes, we're getting a bunch of the after effects of Tropical Storm Cristobal, maybe. I don't know, but it's just been raining. And we're looking at rain probably till the end of the week into the weekend. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is, worked on something a couple of days ago. It's been raining. It has to do with the home place animals, rabbits in particular. So give me a second, and that's what I'm finna show you. That's Hank the Guinea. All right, before we rock on, Dan, where have you been for the last 7 days? I'm here to tell you, y'all know what I do for a living. Been really busy at work. There's several people that has reached out to me offline. Dan, what's going on in East Central Mississippi? Is everything good? Yes, everything is good my way. We had a few protests in Neshoba County, and we had some protests in some nearby counties, and everything went peaceful like it should be. So everything is showing up good right now here in East Central Mississippi. Let me show you what I'm wanting to show you. All right, I don't know how this is gonna work out. I don't know how the light's gonna be for you. But what I did was, we wanted to stop using these things right here for our rabbits. What I did was I hooked up a 5-gallon watering system for the rabbits, just so we could stop using the water bottles, because it's an everyday thing, sometimes twice a day thing. What I'm going to say, this system right here is temporary for right now. This is 5/16 plastic hose. I'm going to swap this out to some black hose, hopefully in the near future, just to prevent allergy buildup. But what I did is I got a 5-gallon Lowe's bucket. I've seen a lot of videos on folks that just drill holes through the buckets and use silicone, stuff like that. What I like to do is, and I actually use this setup on my watering systems for my chickens, but all this is a threaded 1/2-inch union, or a bulkhead fitting, which I call it. And I was able to go from 1/2-inch to 5/16 barb, as you can see it here. Apologize for the light because it is dark outside. And have some teas, have some waterers right here. The rabbits are really liking it, and it's working out really good. Purchased these guys right here off of, I believe it was eBay. It's 20 waterers for, I want to say, 18 bucks. And it comes with the teas, the waterers, and the springs. Damn, why'd you get 20 of them jokers? I don't know, it's cheaper to get 20 than it is 5, so I got 20. Just in case one malfunctions, got some on hand. But the rabbits are really liking it. And all I did was just split it off with a tea. And I got one waterer for our bucks and one waterer for our does. And it's working out really good. I've been having to fill this thing up maybe once a week. So the rabbits are taking in the water. One thing that I wanted to do, and I may do it on the next build, is build or put in a sight glass, so to speak, with a piece of hose that actually monitors the water level of this 5-gallon bucket. I'll be able to see it visually from the outside, so no big deal. It's working for now. And again, this is temporary, but it's working really good. And when I say temporary, again, I'm going to swap out this hose. I'm going to go with some black 5/16 hose. So the rabbits are liking the new watering system. Ain't that right, y'all? What y'all doing? So that's what we actually worked on over the weekend. I want to say it was maybe Saturday, trying to get that watering system in for the rabbits, because we was like, dang, every time we come home, the rabbits are out of water. So we know they're drinking a lot of water. So hopefully with that 5-gallon container, that'll hold them off for a good week. So it's working out really good. And I wanted to share that with y'all. Give y'all a quick shot of that right there. It's growing on. Look at her. starting to sprinkle. Look at there. Green dragons. So y'all, just a little small quick video on what we've been doing over here in East Central Mississippi. Dodging rain and trying to get little small things done when we can. Expecting more rain, but hey, what you gonna do? It is what it is. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody is being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, oh the mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like trying to build rabbit waters and whatnot. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan reference, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on, it's important. Just go on and be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.